There is one thing that my family always asks me to buy when I visit Melaka. Nyonya Chang. So today I'm here to learn how it is made. That's a lot of work. First the leaf, then the rice, then the pork, and then the hardest one, the wrapping.
The rice have to be soaked at least 6 hours. There's beans pork, beans mushroom, tauchu, shallots, garlic, candied winter melon.
Is that why it's sweet?
Yeah, those are there.
That kundo. So how do you keep it?
After I do this, I just freeze them. I don't boil it.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't boil. Just freeze it as and when there's order. Then only I boil them for another 2 hours.
Come, let's go and try wrapper chop. Cantik?
You can try to ikat. So this one must be like, the leaf here must be white so that you have space for you to close it.
Okay, let me try. Eh, where did my seafood go to?
So what's the most difficult part of wrapping the chang?
I think in getting the pyramid shape.
Almost there. Cantik tu.
One more try ah.
Going for the 1 million time.
I don't
Semangat tidak putus asa.
Go to daddy.
Semangat tidak putus asa itu perlu. Kalau tak payah makan lah kita orang. This is consider nampak macam pyramid cukup laku kan? When I eat chang, the next time I will open nicely. Instead of I will appreciate the art of wrapping.